Ambivalence. Expressing mixed feelings in IELTS. Have you ever felt torn between two choices, unable to decide which one you prefer? This state of mixed feelings is exactly what we're exploring today. Our word of focus is ambivalence, a term that's crucial for expressing complex emotions in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Word type. Ambivalence is a noun. Meaning, ambivalence refers to the state of having mixed or contradictory feelings about someone or something. It's when you simultaneously experience opposing attitudes or emotions towards a particular subject, person, or situation. Word history. The term ambivalence has an interesting origin. It comes from the early 20th century, derived from the German word Ambivalenz. This word was coined by the psychologist Eugen Bleuler, who combined the Latin words ambi, meaning both, and valentia, meaning strength. So, ambivalence literally means having strength in two directions. Antonyms. Some opposites of ambivalence include certainty, decisiveness, and sureness. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to ambivalence are indecision, uncertainty, and equivocation. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how you might use ambivalence in your IELTS responses. First, in a speaking task, you could say, "Despite the potential for career advancement, I felt a sense of ambivalence about moving to a new city as I would miss my family and friends." In a writing task, you might write, "The public's ambivalence towards the new environmental policies reflects the complex nature of balancing economic growth with sustainability." Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing ambivalence with indifference. While ambivalence involves having strong feelings in two directions, indifference means lacking interest or concern. For example, if you say, "I'm ambivalent about the movie," it means you have both positive and negative feelings about it, not that you don't care about it at all. Understanding and using ambivalence correctly can help you express nuanced ideas in your IELTS exam. It's particularly useful when discussing complex topics where opinions might be divided or when describing personal dilemmas. Remember, being able to articulate mixed feelings shows a sophisticated grasp of language, which can boost your band score. Practice using this word in your preparations, and you'll find it becomes a valuable addition to your vocabulary arsenal.